Yes na yes. Hello mga palangga. I'm here at Suruyan ng Kidapawan. Yo, it's my pleasure and it's my first time to come here. For it's been 8 years, di ba? So, karon ta makabalik. Makakaunta sa Suruyan sa Kidapawan. Located at Terminal Overland, Kidapawan City. Yes. Wow. Yeah, enough na. Mas may katatawon din. Mas may katatawon.